Cold air coming through the sliding door of your camper van. Most camper vans have this problem. In this video, I show a very simple fix. A custom draft stopper for the doorstep, no sewing required, and you can make it in a few minutes. First, make a template from cardboard. Here, I have a piece of foam. Using the template, I trace the shape onto the foam. Now I cut the cushion. An electric bread knife works very well for cutting foam. Before using glue, always test the cushion first. Place it in the step of the sliding door. Now close the door to check the fit. This is where the cold air usually enters the camper. Next, I cover the foam with needle felt. This material is perfect for this project. You do not need to sew anything, and it matches the interior of our camper van. The fluffy side will be the outside. Needle felt stretches quite a lot. That makes it easier to shape around the foam. For this step, you need strong spray adhesive and a citrus cleaner to remove glue residue later. Spray the adhesive on the foam. I only spray one side. That way, I can still adjust the fabric if needed. Press the felt onto the foam. Then trim the excess fabric along the edge. Now the curved section. You will see small wrinkles in the fabric. Normally this shape would require sewing, but needle felt stretches. Simply pull the fabric tight. The wrinkles disappear. Trim along the edge again. If small folds remain, cut the fabric slightly like this, then glue it down again. Now the corner. Press the fabric tightly into the shape, then trim the excess. Because the fabric is pinched together, the seam becomes almost invisible. Finally, glue the fabric to the bottom of the cushion. If glue residue remains, remove it with citrus cleaner. Trim the excess felt along the seams. And here is the final result. A simple cushion that stops cold air from entering the camper van. See you in the next video. Ma.